Welcome back, guys, to yet another good show that we have for you. Welcome to Crypto Talk Now, where we talk about all things crypto. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to talk about another coin that's going to be new to the channel. We invested in it, true transparency on this one. We invested in it about a week ago. Got some good thoughts about it. Remember, it's not financial advice. Do your own research. And the name of that coin is Wolverine Inu. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Let's jump over to the website. And you can see Wolverine Inu here. So the only thing is, guys, when you click on some of these sections here, they're not built yet, like the merge, the NFTs, the staking. So it's very early on. This just launched, I believe, on October 23rd. It is now November 11th, so it hasn't even been a full month yet. But I do like the layout of the website. Why Wolverine? Upon launch, within the first 2 weeks, Wolverine has accomplished being listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Shiba Swap, FedEx. Wolverine Inu reached 21 million market cap within 9 days. That's pretty good. Acquired 4,500 holders, hosted 5 AMAs, and held various contests. It is safe to say that Wolverine has plenty of potential and room to grow in the near future. Our vision. Launched, there it is, October 23rd, 2021. Wolverine Inu's mission is to bring order to the Ethereum blockchain and prove that a powerful community can achieve when united. Thanks to the continuous and thorough communication within the community, our holders' questions are always answered. Thanks to the developers, admins, and moderators of Wolverine Inu. That's very good for a community coin like this. Remember, these things can be high risk. I think the success depends a lot on the community itself and also the development and the administrative team's desire to stay in touch with that community, to have their finger on the pulse of the community and to be able to communicate well with that community. Here's their roadmap, guys. So phase one, they've pretty much accomplished all this, 4,000 holders. I think that they have, let's just go over and check here. They've got actually 11,330 holders. It's up over 2% today, so it's growing nicely. And if you come over here and look at the price today, we are currently up, let's refresh the screen, 46% on the day in the last 24 hours. So that's really good. The price is moving. I know oftentimes people get a little concerned when the price just kind of treads water or stays in a sideways pattern, but I think that sometimes parabolic growth, when it just spikes way up, you get a coin that goes up 100% in one day, can be something that's short-lived. Usually it's better if you have like a gradual incline. So you have like a period of consolidation, no matter what coin you're looking at, whether it's Shiba Inu or whatever, one of these other community coins. You have to be patient with them. You have to realize that, not everything's going to go up 100, 200% in one day, that there's going to be some people taking profits and there's going to be consolidation and you're going to reach new highs and new lows over time, new areas of support and new areas of resistance. So jumping back over to Wolverine Inu, phase two, they talk about the NFT marketplace, 5,000 Telegram members, 10,000 holders. We've already gotten to that point. Phase three, so they're going to release a P2E game, play to earn game. That's very good. So again, I'm very bullish overall on the spaces of community tokens, gaming tokens, and metaverse tokens. So I believe that the community tokens, like all these ones that you're seeing, Saitama, it's got some real world use with the wallet. It's coming out, State of Mass coming out in 2 days, November 13th. Shiba Inu, we all know about that with the Shiba swap. They've got the NFTs, the Shiboshis that came out. They've got the other things in the works of using it for payments and many other real life utility. So I think once they establish themselves, they come in kind of as meme coins and community-based tokens, they have a big, vibrant community behind them. They need to start to shift focus on further development, which means that they need to get their NFTs going or their video games going or their use cases going, their wallets going, whatever it is. They need to have some kind of utility. It can't just be, a cool picture of, of a meme or something like that. It needs to actually have some kind of real world use. And those that go into successfully into the gaming space and the metaverse, I think are going to be the ones that do very well. So going over here to the final phase, they're going to launch a Wolverine comic book. That's kind of interesting for those of you that are comic book fans. They're going to have a wide range of collectible merchandise such as toys and art pieces. They're going to become a hit in the comic world. They're a well-renowned merch and clothing line. They're going to have that play-to-earn game on the metaverse available on multiple consoles. Multiple Wolverine NFT series launched, Wolverine vlogs and meetup events, and their final phase is to get at least a $1 billion market cap. I think that this one is headed in the right direction. And again, I believe, not financial advice, do what's right for you, as a lot of people say. I believe you got to try to minimize your risk by getting into these type of riskier projects, something that's not been around a long time. I think it behooves you to get in early on these type of projects. And then don't forget about profit taking along the way. So when a coin goes up, you have to be able to pull profits. Like we talked about micropets. Micropets just shot up well over 100% today. I did go in there and take some profits. And what I will do is I believe strongly in that project. So I took about 20% off the table just to protect the portfolio. And I will wait for another entry point to get back in because I do believe in reinvesting in that micropets project. So that's the thing about these things, guys. You want to try to get in early. As you can see here, let's go look at the chart. Let's zoom out a little bit, look at the 7-day chart. So if we got in approximately 6 or 7 days ago, we got in somewhere around in here. And, we wrote it up here. And, so now we're in a period, in a few days here, we're in consolidation, just going sideways. And now you see this little spike up. And then around here, down. Just look for areas of support right down in this level right here. So I think that this one is not one that I'm going to really be trading in and out of. I think this one is going to be tabbed as a long-term hold for now. The smaller micro caps have been doing really well for our portfolio, so we actually need to rebalance. So I believe it's important to kind of have do your own research and advice, obviously, as far as how to set up your portfolio. But I like having like 50% in the larger caps, so the ones that are in the top 100 or larger market caps, and then 25% in the mid-range market caps, and then another 25% for the higher risk portfolio. The thing is the high-risk ones have been performing so well that my portfolio is kind of out of whack, and I'm going to be looking to rebalance that. Also cautioning you guys, just because we don't know how far this bull run is going to go. I have a gut feeling that it might last longer than December and carry over a little bit into January or February of next year. However, I'm being a little cautious. I want to make sure I have some dry powder, some money on the side. So I will take some profits along the way and make sure that right around like before Christmas, December 20th, I have some money on the side so that if there does start to be some blood in the water and things are not going so well, and some of the coins crash down, the projects that I believe in, I'm going to then try to scoop up at a discount. And that's something that you want to think about. You want to make sure that you do have some money on the sidelines and you're making sure that you're taking profits along the way. You can be a holder, like a hold on for dear life type person, which really we are. We try to hold for the long term, but it's also something that you can be a holder and take profits at the same time. So if you need to take out your original investment or half your original investment, or maybe like 20% along the way if something doubles or maybe triples, you have to look into some sort of strategy that's right for you. But, for Shiba Inu, for example, if we're holding it for, like I plan on holding it for 5 years, but, it's funny. I haven't taken profits yet on Shiba Inu, and that is something that I'm going to start considering doing, maybe taking 20% when it gets closer to that all-time high or kind of goes past the all-time high that we just had. And then, I'm going to just come back in. I'm going to buy the dip and reinvest. So try to set up a strategy for yourself, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate it. The channel's growing. Please comment below and tell us what you want us to cover. Let us know if you want us to keep covering this coin, Wolverine Inu. Also, please tell me which coin you're most bullish on in the comment section and one that you'd like us to cover. Please smash the like button so more people hear about this coin and more people hear about this channel. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.